Hey, what's up guys? If you don't know me, I'm Reza, a former civil engineer turned business owner and entrepreneur. Life with money may or may not be easy, but life without money can never be easy. Therefore, work harder and smarter to achieve financial freedom, because without it, your life can be a mess. This video has only educational and entertainment purposes. I never intended to show off. The amount of money that I earn can be nothing for most people. At the same time, it can be a good amount of money for others. I hope it can give you a tiny bit of benefit or motivation. I have worked as a junior civil engineer and my monthly salary was about 300 to 400 USD, which is $4,800 at the maximum in a year. I never liked my job. In 2019, I started an online side hustle. I learned some skills and improved myself as a person. I read a few hundred self-help and business types of books. They really helped me. Mentally focused and persistent, and I started believing more in myself. It changed my perspective around money and also life. I have read a lot of books since 2018. The fun part is that reading really improved my English language too. I failed a lot, but you know what? I never give up. Let's see together how much money I have earned in 2023. This year, I did not focus on my main channel. I could publish a few videos. My whole focus was on my other sub-channels. I focused more on selling business services and software than physical products in 2023. If you don't know about affiliate marketing, it is about selling other companies' products and services and getting a commission. I have made a video on how to make at least $1,000 in a month in affiliate marketing. It is such a simple technique that anyone can do it. On Impact, I earned $19,474.68 in 2023. If you are not familiar with Impact, it is an affiliate marketplace. You can watch a specific video that was made about it on this channel. I believe it is linked somewhere here in the corner or in the description. Now let's look at how much I earn in Avin. Avin, also known as affiliate window. It is an affiliate marketplace just like Impact. You can also watch a video about it in this channel. On Avin, I made 2,784 British pound, 2,416 euro and $2,810. On Avin, I earned approximately $8,960 based on today's exchange rate. Now let's come to Flex offers. On Flex offers, I made $2,824 in commission. With freelance work and consulting, I made $1,000. To sum up, I made a total of $32,259 in 2023. If we divide it by 12 months, I made an average of $2,688. I made more money in 2 months than my annual salary when I was working 9-to-5 job. That's a huge difference. It's like working 2 months and getting paid a 12-month salary. Of course, it is not an overnight success. I started side hustle jobs in an online business in 2019. I could not make a penny until January 2021. It was all spending without return. These are the lessons that I have learned during this period. 1. Start investing in yourself. Remember that everything starts from inside, as within as without. 2. If you have a poverty mindset, change it by consuming uplifting contents and ideas, especially reading good books. 3. If your environment is poisonous, change it. Start collaborating with open-minded people. Since May 2018, I have chosen my friends wisely. You know what? I deleted many of them because they were poisonous and negative. Those who never believed in me, I just shift deleted them. Don't count on how many friends you have, rather count on how good they are for your improvement. 4. Study money's basic principles. Understand money, value, and time. Understand the difference between trading time in exchange to money, trading money in exchange to money, trading value in exchange to money. 5. Take risks and don't settle. 6. Never give up. These are the lessons that I hope can lift you up a little bit. Please do not forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, and commenting. See you in the next video.